are today's collecting challenges, and how do we make responsible collecting decisions? How do we know what we are collecting today will be historically significant 10 or 20 years from now? Experimental equipment continues to be thrown away or cannibalized and lost to history. It is part of the culture of the laboratory. Space is a far greater challenge to museums than it once was. Years ago, curators thought nothing of collecting a room full of artifacts or large pieces of equipment. We simply do not have that luxury today. Today, there is a great deal more oversight. Since 1990, when I was introduced to my nephew Michael, who weighed about 826 grams at birth, I've been seeking artifacts related to the neonatal intensive care unit. Our challenge lies in thinking creatively about what it is we are collecting. If an artifact is historically important and therefore worth collecting, no matter how aesthetically unpleasing or large, we as museum professionals should make every effort to find a way for that artifact to be preserved.
We got the collections of the American Society for Gastrointestinal Endoscopy in 1989 when they were going to celebrate their 50th anniversary of this association. And this prompted a period of collectors are building. This prompted a period of collecting where we documented the different phases of technical development in endoscopy. So the early phases began with the 1806 Museum Leafwriter. Here's the Dr. Reuter, his collections are in Vienna. At that time, it was like being a sword swallower. It was not a comfortable ordeal. Beginning with the 1920s, 1930s, semi-flexible instrumentation came in where you could have about a 15-degree deflection, still pretty much an ordeal. The world changed in about 1983 when Michael Sivak at the Cleveland Clinic introduced video endoscopy. What comes next? Robotic surgery or other things? Now, when you say robotic surgery, it's not a robot actually doing the surgery. It is, in fact, the use of a new technology, the Da Vinci machine. It's become the industry leader. This is a very cost-expensive technology, and with big money comes big marketing. And I feel, therefore, we can't really understand what's going on out here if we don't document the marketing of this technology and not just the hardware itself.
But it's dead boring, isn't it? I mean, what do you do with that thing, looking up somebody's thumb? I mean, the only thing you can do is make it interactive. Let's sew up Granny's feet or something, because if you weren't interacting with it, it's just a block. I mean, it really is a black ball.
It's my concern that we start collecting this stuff that we really don't know how to use. And if that thing you're talking about ever comes to my office, we're not experts. We can't be experts in every single field, and we need our physicians, chemists, and scientists to come along with these things that are donated.
What is the biggest cultural thing about medicine that's happened in the last year? It isn't the autoanalyzer. It's Obama's health measure.